Good day, viewers. I remain my humble self again. Otemu Ogeneyerowo, teaching on YouTube. I encourage you to subscribe my YouTube channel at Otemu Mass Success. Before being on the board is the maximum, minimum, and turning point. Minimum, maximum, and minimum point. So find the maximum and minimum value of y for the function y is equal to 2x raised to the power of 3 plus 3x raised to the power of 2 minus 36x minus 6 minus 6. So that is the question. Now, so when he has given this type of mass, that y is equal to 2x raised to the power 3 plus 3x raised to the power 2 minus 36x minus 6, you first of all you now differentiate dy dx. When you differentiate this, 3 times 2 is 6, which is 6x. 3 minus 1 is 2, plus 2 times 3 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. So here's 6x minus 36. Here 1, here means 1. 1 times 36, 36. 1 minus 1 is 0. Anything raised by 0 is 1, so it's 36. And we are differentiating a constant is 0. When you are differentiating a constant is 0. So now what do? We equate the denominator, we equate the first derivative to 0. So at turning point, let us equate the first derivative to 0, which means 6x raised to the power of 2 plus 6x minus 36 is equal to 0. Now, we can now reduce it because we have 6 in common. So I want to divide through by 6. So 6x raised to the power 2 over 6 plus 6x over 6 minus 36 over 6 is equal to 0 over 6. This will cancel this. You are left with x squared. This will cancel this. You are left with plus x. This will cancel this to give us 6, which is minus 6. And this divide is undefined, so 0. So what we do is to factorize the left hand side. They have x in common. Another x in common is equal to 0. So now, what are the two numbers you multiply that will give you 6? Minus 6. When you add it, it gives you plus 1. It's plus 3 and minus 2. Because plus 3 times minus 2 give us minus 6. Plus 3 minus 2 give us plus 1. So you will now equate, say x plus 3, you equate each of the bracket to 0, or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So when this plus 3 crosses, it becomes minus 3. When this crosses, become plus 2. So that is the root of the equation. So we are going to differentiate again for the second time. Let's find the second derivative. Let's find the second derivative from the first derivative. So d square y over dx squared. When you differentiate 6x squared, give us 12x. Plus, when you differentiate 6x, it gives us 6. So now, when x is equal to minus 3, I will put it in the second derivative, which says d square y over dx square is equal to 12 times minus 3 plus 6. And 12 times minus 3 is minus 36 plus 6. And that will give us minus 30. Now, since d square y over dx square is less than 0, because minus 30 is less than 0, comma, it is maximum point. Maximum point. Since the second derivative is less than 0, it is maximum point. Now, the other value is when x is equals to 2. Look at it here. When x is equal to 2, so d square y over dx square is equal to 12x plus 6. Now, this time, you say when x equals to 2. So 12 bracket 2 plus 6. Now, what is 12 times 2 is 24 plus 6 and is equals to 30. So since d square y over dx square is greater than 0, because 30 is greater than 0. Now, it is minimum point. So that's how we can solve problem on minimum and maximum point.